Hi, this is Mark. This is 25 opposites timed test. You will have 5 seconds to say the opposite word. Okay, are you ready? Yes? Okay, let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. What's the opposite of hot? It's cold. What's the opposite of big? It's small. What's the opposite of tall? It's short. What's the opposite of long? It's short. What's the opposite of happy? It's sad. What's the opposite of fast? It's slow. What's the opposite of old? It's young. What's the opposite of fat? It's thin. What's the opposite of heavy? It's light. What's the opposite of full? It's empty. What's the opposite of day? It's night. What's the opposite of up? It's down. What's the opposite of in? It's out. What's the opposite of on? It's off. What's the opposite of open? It's closed. What's the opposite of clean? It's dirty. What's the opposite of hard? It's soft. What's the opposite of loud? It's quiet. What's the opposite of strong? It's weak. What's the opposite of wet? It's dry. What's the opposite of happy? It's angry. What's the opposite of rich? It's poor. What's the opposite of excited? It's bored. What's the opposite of safe? It's dangerous. What's the opposite of sweet? It's sour. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Plus, I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. So please check out my Patreon page and my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.